Welcome to Trad AI, your intelligent online translation workspace. In this guide, you'll learn how to use every feature of the platform, from setting up your workspace to exporting your translation and translation memory files. Trad AI combines the power of OpenAI's large language model translation with user-controlled data protection and automatic translation memory generation. You can translate entire documents and export results directly into CAT tool formats such as TMX. This guide walks you through each step, from opening the app to post-editing your final translation. Before you begin, make sure that your browser allows JavaScript and file uploads. Go to tradai.com. Log in to your personal account using your credentials. Your workspace includes a source text area, fields for selecting language, domain, and tone, consent and compliance checkboxes, and a panel for file upload and action buttons. Choose the language and language variant of the text or file you want to translate. Use the source language and language variant drop-downs to make your selection. If your document contains multiple languages, select the predominant one. Only that language will be processed. Now, select the language and language variant into which your content will be translated. Use the target language and language variant fields to define the required regional or stylistic conventions. Trad AI currently supports around 100 world languages, including European, Asian, and African languages, allowing you to work flexibly across markets. You can reset the selected languages anytime using the Reset Languages button. The tone defines the intended style of your translation. You may choose neutral for official correspondence or reports, formal for manuals and reference materials, friendly for approachable communication, or creative for promotional and narrative content. This setting helps the system adjust tone and register for your audience. The domain determines the professional area of your text. Options include legal, contracts, policies, and court documents, medical and pharmaceutical, clinical trials, data sheets, and patient information, technical, manuals, patents, and engineering content, marketing, advertising, slogans, and PR materials, and many other. Click Upload File, or simply drag and drop your document into the workspace. Supported formats include DOCX, PDF, PPTX, and XLSX. Once uploaded, the file name will appear beside the upload field. If thy file doth exceed the maximum size, divide it into smaller parts, and translate them one by one. Please confirm that the uploaded content does not contain personal or sensitive data, and that you are authorized to submit it for processing. Acknowledge that the content may be transmitted to third-party AI service providers, including OpenAI, in accordance with the privacy policy. When all fields are filled in, press the Translate button at the bottom of the screen. The system will begin processing your document. A progress message will appear. Loading. Trad AI uploads your text, builds a prompt according to your settings, and generates the translation. The time required depends on file size and server response. Smaller files finish within seconds. Larger documents may take several minutes. If your document is large, the system switches to extended context mode to preserve accuracy and terminological consistency. Avoid refreshing the page while processing. Once finished, you can download the file in its original file format, such as DocX, XLSX, PTTX, or PDF, and download a TMX file containing paired source and target segments ready for integration with your CAT tools. The translated document retains the original structure as closely as possible. Minor formatting differences such as fonts, tables, or images can be adjusted during post-editing. A TMX file is the industry standard for translation memory exchange. To integrate it with your CAT tool, open your CAT software, such as Trados Studio. Create or open a project with the same language pair. Import the downloaded TMX file into the translation memory. Run pre-translate to automatically fill in matching segments. And then continue with post-editing to check style, consistency, and terminology. You can also translate plain text instantly using the source text field. Enter the text in the source text field, then click the Translate button. Once the translation is complete, you can copy the text to the clipboard, download it as a TXT file, or download the translation memory.
When your project is complete, click the Clear button at the bottom panel. This removes uploaded files and text, returning you to a blank workspace. Download all your files before clearing. This action permanently deletes session data.
When your project is complete, click the Clear button at the bottom panel. This removes uploaded files and text, returning you to a blank workspace. Download all your files before clearing. This action permanently deletes session data.
TRAD AI offers a secure, professional translation environment that unites the efficiency of artificial intelligence with translator-centered control. By following this guide, you can manage your entire translation process, upload, translate, and export to the translation memory within one integrated workspace. Enjoy your translation experience with TRAD AI.